channel. Today's video is a September Glossybox unboxing. So if you don't know that Glossybox do have a subscription service for their beauty boxes every month, I will tell you a bit more about that throughout this video. Also, please stay tuned to the end of this video so you can know about the advent calendar that Glossybox has got. If you are new to my channel, hi, I'm Lauren. I upload videos 3 times a week, Wednesdays, Friday and Sunday. And please make sure you're subscribed to this channel so you can know more. But if you want to see what I got into my September box, then please keep watching. So at every month, Glossybox sends a beauty box like this to your doorstep every single month. I love them so much. You get brands in there that you've never heard before, sometimes little treats as well, and I absolutely love them. One box every month is worth £50, and I get this for just £10 a month. You can go on to their Glossybox website. I will leave everything you need to know down below for you guys so you guys can check them out. You can choose the plan you like. If you want to receive one but you don't want to pay the full price, I will leave my referral code in the description box below for you guys, so you can use my referral code and you can get some money off. So how does that sound? So each month a box will arrive like this every month to your doorstep, and it is worth £50. So this is what the box looks like. For those of you who don't know what Glossybox is, it is a monthly subscription service for beauty products, hair care, the lot, absolutely lots, and you get little treats in as well. So this is what the Glossybox looks like. It's in beautiful pink, baby pink colour with the black font on the front, and as you open the box, oh, it's a bit of a struggle, you see this. So sometimes you have like a little booklet or a little leaflet. It tells you what's inside your box, what the products are, the original prices and everything else. But for this month they don't have one. So I'm just going to undo the ribbon and show you guys. I have actually opened this and I cannot wait to try out all the products. Without trying to tip everything out, I'll bring it closer so you guys can't see. But that is what you receive in your September box, and I'm absolutely loving it so much. So without further ado, let's show you all the products that I received. So first things first, you get a little treat in this month's box. If you haven't got this box already, you get a little treat. So I've already eaten this because when it arrived I was really hungry, and I thought, oh, I love Lindt chocolate anyway. So we get a little, quite a nice sized bar of Lindt. Like I said, I've already eaten this because I absolutely love Lindt chocolate. But I wanted to show you guys what kind of treat was in this month's. So a little Lindt bar chocolate, which was absolutely amazing, and I love Lindt, by the way. Next is this. So this is the eye patch gels. If you don't know what they are, then they go underneath your eyes to get rid of all the bags and dark circles underneath your eyes. So this is the Generation Skin Brighten patches to go, eye patches to go underneath your eyes, and I cannot wait to give this a go. I love them eye patches. They're really nice. Someone actually did say put them in the fridge or freezer for about 15 to 20 minutes, or maybe an hour to half an hour to an hour, and they become really nice and cold, and they're really nice on your skin. So I might actually give that a go and put that in the fridge and see what it's like. Then I've already had one of these before, and I've actually still got the first pack. I think I've only used it a couple of times. But we got this. So this is the Coffee Scrub Exfoliatant. I'll bring it closer for you guys can see as well. It's lovely. I absolutely love it. If you are a coffee person, do not drink this. It's not a coffee. This is a scrub. It's a prep and prime exfoliatant. So obviously you tear it open, pour some on your hand, and you just scrub it all over your face and body, just like a proper exfoliatant what you would do. But yeah, this is the Coffee Scrub Exfoliatant. I actually quite like this. It's quite nice. Plus it makes you smell of coffee as well. Next product is this. So this is the Advent I'm always going to say this wrong, and I do apologise. Hyaluronic Vitamin C Supreme Hyaluronic Acid Moisturiser. So So I've had this product before. It's actually quite nice and I love it so much as well. It's really nice and smelling. It smells quite nice. And oh well, I've not even smelt this, but I've had the product before. This is the moisturiser. I've had the scrub. I've had all sorts of this brand, and I think it's still really nice, and I love it. So thank you so much, Glossybox, for making me stock up on this. So as I told you at the very beginning of this video, Glossybox are doing their advent calendar again this year. You can now pre-order your advent calendar. I will leave everything you need to know about Glossybox or about the advent calendar, about all the boxes, in the description box below for you guys, so you guys can check them out. Also, if you pre-order your advent calendar, the payment needs to be paid by the 1st of October. So I'm absolutely excited and I cannot wait. I've already pre-ordered mine and I just need to pay it and then it will arrive. As soon as it arrives, I'm thinking about doing a like kind of unboxing the advent calendar for you guys. I didn't do it last year because it was my very first one, so I didn't want to do it last year and spoil the fun. So this year I am thinking about doing an unboxing of the advent calendar to show you guys what kind of products you will receive if you actually purchase an advent calendar. So if you want to see that kind of video, then please let me know. But yeah, I just wanted to quickly let you guys know about the advent calendar so you guys do not miss out, because there is so many beautiful products in there that I've seen and so many brands. It's just mind blowing. So many brands in that advent calendar this year. It's just absolutely incredible and I love it. And the advent calendar, I think it's actually worth £360 alone. So amazing. £360, and I think subscribers can get it for £80, and I think non-subscribers is either £85 or £90, something like that. But everything you need to know will be in the description box below for you guys anyway, so go and check that out. So that is going to wrap up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have, give it a great big thumbs up. This has been my September Glossybox unboxing. If you guys enjoy these kind of videos, give it a great big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down the bottom. Don't forget to click on the notification bell next to it so you're notified every time I upload. If you are new to my channel, I upload 3 times a week, Wednesdays, Friday and Sunday. And I love you guys so much. Please stay safe wherever you are. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.